Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to use again the Soph and Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. I decided to give it another try just to see better how the eyeshadows perform on my eyes. This is not the makeup look I achieved in today's video with this eyeshadow palette, even though I did use this eyeshadow palette to achieve this makeup look. I just finished filming another video, so that's why I'm looking like this. So this is not the makeup look I'm going to create in this video. And yeah, if you want to see again how these eyeshadows perform on my eyes and what makeup look I'm going to create today, then keep on watching. Okay, so I guess this is the closest I can get. And actually today I'm going to use a eyeshadow primer. This is from Manna Kadar. I used this once and I don't know honestly how to feel about it, but I'm going to use it today. Maybe, yeah, I don't know, maybe it works, who knows. And I'm going to apply this with a brush, and in today's video I'm going to do only one eye on camera, and the rest of my makeup I'm going to do it off camera because I want this video to be really short. So I'm applying the concealer, not concealer, the eyeshadow primer. And honestly, I don't know what makeup look I'm going to create today. But I think I'm going to start with the yellow shade. This is called Vitamin C. So I'm going to start with this one. This will be my transition shade. And honestly, I did watch a lot of reviews on this eyeshadow palette. And for some people, it did work, for some people it didn't work, so yeah. I'm going to remove this and start again because as I said, I really want to make this work. So I guess that eyeshadow primer is not the best, I don't know. I'm going to use concealer. That's enough, and I'm going to go again with the yellow shade. I don't know what to say. Okay, next, I don't know, honestly, I don't know what colors to use today. I'm not inspired. Next I'm going to go with lakes. Ooh. I'm going back with the yellow shade. The situation is not cute already. I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to go again with the green shade, with lakes. Next I'm going to take Vitamin C, and is the yellow shade. It's not looking cute, as you can see. Next I want to use Reputation, and is this gorgeous army green or forest green shade. Not bad. Next I'm going to do a cut crease. I'm going to cut my crease using the exact same concealer, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, next I'm going to take Aurora. Aurora is this shade, is a green shimmery shade. and I'm going to place this right here. Not impressed. Okay. Next I'm going to take Infinity, and I know that I already used this Infinity in my last video, but what option do I have? This yellow or this one? So yeah, I'm going to go with this one. And I'm going to put this right here. This Infinity shade really works so far. I'm going to take again Aurora. You see, this is not pigmented enough, not pigmented enough for me. Going back with Infinity. Okay, I'm going back with Reputation, and I'm going to fix this right here. Okay, so as I said, Infinity and Reputation, they do feel different than the other eyeshadows. Reputation and Infinity, they do feel different. I don't know, I feel like the formula is a little bit better on this shade. Okay, I'm going to use Dreams to highlight my brow bone. Okay, off camera I'm going to do my other eye, also my face makeup, and then I'm going to come back to do the lower lash line. I'm going to be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I just finished my... Wow, I have a lot of fallout on the lens. Okay, let's not touch that. I'm not gonna touch that. So as you can see, I just finished my face makeup, also this eye, and I just applied the lashes. I'm going to let that lash glue to dry, and I'm going to do the bottom lash on this eye. Okay, as you can see, I did apply this yellow liner in my waterline. This is from ColourPop and is in the shade Punch. So cute, I really like that. So on my on my lower lash line, I'm going to start with Reputation, and I'm going to use this small brush, and I'm going to connect my bottom lash line. With the same brush, I'm going to take Aurora, and I'm going to take a lot of this because this is not pigmented. And I'm going to try to blend a little bit. Reputation. My Reputation. Yeah, I'm going to try to blend my Reputation. Yeah. Okay, so that didn't do much. But I'm going to continue. Next, I'm going to take Vitamin C, and I'm going to blend everything out. And I'm going to go back again with Reputation, but just a little bit. Okay, so I think I'm done with the eye makeup. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara to blend my lashes. And as you can see, I didn't apply anything in my inner corners, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of Infinity is this silvery shade, so I'm going to apply a little bit of that. Alright guys, so this is the final look, and overall I feel like today we did a little bit better. And by saying we, I'm meaning the eyeshadows. I feel like a few matte shades, I don't know, they feel different. Like the formula is a little bit different. For example, Reputation and 21. Reputation, oh wait a second. Reputation and 21, they feel more pigmented, and also they blend a little bit different in a good way, I'm saying. But also brownies, but I feel like vitamin C, chocolate orange, sweet and sour, they are not that good. Running late as well. So yeah, I feel like the formula of some of the matte shades is a little bit different. As I said, a little bit more pigmented, and also they blend a little bit better. Overall, I don't think I'm going to reach for this palette again. I think I'm going to send it to my sister because she's not that into makeup. So if you're just getting into makeup, I feel like this is a nice palette to practice with, to exercise your makeup looks and all that good stuff, you know, just to practice. Practice makes perfect. So I feel like this is a nice palette to practice. And yeah, I don't really like the metallics or shimmers, whatever they are. The only pigmented one is this one that I have on my lids, is the silvery one. It's called Infinity. So I feel like that is the most pigmented shimmery shade in this palette. Also, I feel like La Sun or LA Sun, I don't know exactly. This is a little bit pigmented too, but not as pigmented as the silvery one. So yeah, overall, as I said, I don't think I'm going to reach for this palette again. And it was nice to try it. I don't really like it. I mean, my eye makeup turned nice, but you know, I struggled a little bit to get to this point. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my reviews on this eyeshadow palette. As I said, I don't think I'm going to reach for this palette anymore. I'm going to send it to my sister so she can practice a little bit with her eye makeup. Yeah, it was nice to meet you, but thank you, next. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know down below, what do you think? Just let me know down below, okay? So yeah, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. On my lips I have Ariel from ColourPop, and also I did apply my NARS foundation today, and oh my god, amazing, amazing.